In this video, I'll show you how to add a bank payment method for P2P trading on the Binance app. First, open your Binance app and log into your account. Once you're in, let's access the P2P trading section. There are a few ways to get there. You can tap the Binance icon on the home screen and select P2P, or tap Trade at the bottom and switch to the P2P tab. Another way is to go to your wallet, select Funding, and then tap P2P. Now that you're in the P2P interface, tap the three dots at the top right and select Payment Method. Then, tap Add Payment Method. Here, choose Vietnamese bank transfer, which is currently the most common option. Enter your bank information that includes your bank name, account number, or card number. You can also add a note for transfer content if needed. For example, please transact using the main account. Content, order code. Once that's filled out, you'll need to go through security verification to confirm. If you've already enabled Google Authenticator, open the app, copy your verification code, and paste it into Binance. If not, you'll verify via email or SMS, and that's it. You've successfully added your bank payment method for P2P trading on Binance. You're now ready to buy and sell crypto directly with other users safely and easily.